the key challenges at the moment are around being close to our customers, educating our customers and how we portray our industry to the market as aftermarket workshops.
Sounds very reactive to what the customers want and need right now in 2022.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we've got to be behaving and marketing in the age that we live in at the moment. Everything's digital. Like everything today, look, in the studio here, we're surrounded by technology. I use my phone to get here, find the location, pay for my car parking. And a lot of workshops out there aren't adapting. They're not making iterations in their business to behave in the way that consumers are. To provide solutions in the way that consumers are behaving. And I think that's the key.
Okay. What do workshops need to do to rise to these challenges?
It's like I said before, I think we've really got to take stock of the fact that consumer behaviour has changed. It's 2022 and, for some workshops, they might have customers in their older demographic that are happy, picking up the phone at 10 o'clock and having a chat about booking their car service. But let's be honest, particularly with the younger demographic, we don't book car servicing at 10 a.m. on a weekday. We do it at 7 p.m. They're at home watching maths, watching TV, researching their car service. They want to do it after hours and they want to do it in a way that's convenient. So as workshops, if we're not providing solutions that fit with consumer behaviour, we're going to get left behind.
That's a really good observation, because in some of these businesses, you have different aged employees, older and younger, and the younger ones are already ready to accept this technology, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got to realise that we're not just catering for one particular, like as a workshop for motorists, or whether it be our own staff and technicians, we've got to cater for different demographics, different age groups. And if we stick our head in the sand and say, this is the way we've always done it and always will, that's a problem.